how to enable preview mode for the PDF files before filling out. To do that, just go to Edit Form and then check Enable Preview Mode. I'll show you how it would look before and after we check that box. So before we enable that, the first thing you see when you open the form, you get all these data to fill out. And then you can preview the document. But if we enable preview mode, you can see first the PDF before filling out. When you enable this, you can also enable allow downloading or printing the document. So let's enable that. And then we just save and update the form. If we go back to the file, just refresh to see the difference. This is before, and this is after. First, you get to see the PDF, and then you can go to fill and sign. That's it.